We're gonna fire up the old Mothball Express full of garbage. Because why not? This is my shitty old Ford. I love it. Because why not? Apparently I left a drink out here. Whatever. I'm not really sure how cold it is outside, but let's see. I got the battery tender on it. It's not plugged in, but I mean, whatever, maybe the battery tender will let her fire up and give her a cycle. I don't know if it's gonna start. She's trying. AGMs, man, they're the only way. We'll cycle it again, I guess. I haven't started it in probably 2 months, so. Well, we'll cycle them again, I guess. We'll give them 2. I'll give it 2 this time, not just 1. Where my dog is, ruining my door. Welcome to the Rust Belt. This truck used to be nice, and then I brought it to Wisconsin, and now it's a rusty old turd. But I do love it. Fucking angry, boys. No! Right. Now, I'm gonna turn the heat on. Full bore. We'll let her fucking warm up for a while, boys.